In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer for overpayment in QuickBooks Online. Mistakes happen, and sometimes customers overpay on their invoices. When that happens, it's important to know how to issue a refund efficiently so your records stay accurate and your customers stay happy. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and in just a few simple steps, you can create and record a refund check for the overpaid amount. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the New button located in the top left corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a list of options for different types of transactions. From this list, select Check. This option allows us to create a refund check specifically for your customer. Once the check window opens, the next step is to select the customer who made the overpayment. You can do this by using the drop-down menu to find and choose the correct customer. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the right one, as this is important for keeping your records accurate. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Category Details. This is where we'll specify how the transaction is categorized in your accounting records. In this section, locate the field for the account and select Accounts Receivable from the drop-down options. This step links the refund to the customer's account, ensuring the overpayment is properly tracked. Next, you'll need to enter the overpaid amount into the appropriate field. Be sure to input the exact amount that the customer overpaid. Accuracy is key here, as even a small error can create confusion later on. Before moving forward, take a moment to double-check the amount you entered. Carefully review it to make sure it matches the overpayment made by the customer. Double-checking ensures everything is correct before saving the transaction. Once you're confident that all the details are accurate, the final step is to click Save. By doing this, you'll record the transaction in your QuickBooks Online account and simultaneously generate the refund check for the customer. And that's it. You've successfully refunded a customer for an overpayment in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.